Hello and welcome to the finale of the first edition of Kamyavit's Grand Tournament. Up until now, 16 participants have played, tried their intelligence, and tested through different number of questions, approximately 200 questions or so. And now, out of that, we have the four finalists of the first tournament, the first edition. Today, fighting for glory and a small materialistic prize are Abhishek, Anand, Ketki, and Neha, which once again will be the sequence of the first half. Now, simple rules. I'll be always right till someone else gives me better facts or more accurate facts. The participants are not allowed to use a virtual background that has the answer to the question. Again, everyone's safe today. I mean, two people are using it, but it's not going to be a problem. 10 marks for every right answer, 5 marks for the second attempt after the hint is given. Questions will be passed in a cyclic manner, that is Abhishek, Anand, Ketki, Neha, and that order will be reversed after the first half, which will become Neha, Ketki, Anand, and Abhishek. Your humor based answers are encouraged, and so are wild guesses. Cameras should be on at all times. All the best, everyone. We'll start today's quiz with the first direct for Abhishek. Iron, lithium, and sodium were interpreted by fans as the ending of a widely popular show as it referred to blood, meth, and tears, and it also coincidentally became an anagram for a word synonymous to the ending. What word is it?
It's Felina.
Brilliant answer. It is Felina from Breaking Bad. 10 points for Abhishek. So, iron, lithium, and sodium or natrium. So with this, Anand has opened his account, and the next direct goes to Abhishek has opened his account, and the next direct goes to Anand. Now, Amala Ratna Zandile Dlamini was born on 21st October 1995, which also happens to be the release date of DDLJ, into an artistic family in the Tarzana neighborhood of Los Angeles, California. Her mother, Deborah Elizabeth Sawyer, is a Jewish American painter. Her father, Dumisani Damini, is a South African actor, composer, and film producer of Zulu ethnicity, best known for starring in the 1992 musical film Sarafina. Now, Amala Ratnasandile is a very famous artist, but she goes with another name. And what is she more popularly known as?
She's a very famous artist.
Yeah, artist as an art in general. I'm not specifying which art form.
Yeah, yeah. 95 is just too young to be. I'll go with Zendaya. This is Zendaya.
Or Zendaya, good guess. I'll give you 1 point for Zendaya because it's Zendaya. Going to
Hmm.
Ketki. Ketki, are you there? काफी चीजें एडिट करनी पड़ेगी कल और आज में. Ketki,
Sorry, really shitty internet. Can you just give me a little idea what's going on?
so this is your direct now. This person, Amala Ratna Zendaya Lamini, was born on 21st October 1995 into an artistic family in the Tarzana neighborhood of Los Angeles, California. Her mother, Deborah Elizabeth Sawyer, is a Jewish American painter, and her father, Dumisani Lamini, is a South African actor, composer, and film producer of Zulu ethnicity, who is best known for starring in the 1992 musical film Sarafina. Uh, Amala Dlamini is also a popular artist, but she goes by a different name. What is she more popularly known as?
Doja Cat.
Brilliant answer. It is Doja Cat. Ketki opens her account with 10 points. So with Doja Cat. So the hint was like I also don't follow her, so the hint was going to be she's very popular in TikTok and Reels.
Which is banned in our country.
The next direct is for Neha. Blank is an Indian television producer, director, and quiz show host, widely regarded as the father of Indian television quizzing. He is best known for hosting shows such as Quiz Time, Mastermind India, and University Challenge, and as a producer director of shows such as KBC, Das Kadam, Jhalak Dikhla Ja, and India's Got Talent. Tell me, who are we talking about?
I remember his face, I can't remember his name. Was it Sid Kumar? Siddharth Basu.
Brilliant answer. It is Siddharth Basu. 10 points for Neha for the brilliant cracks. Siddharth Basu produced KBC, and that's why he's known as the father of Indian television quizzing. And this brings the next direct again to Abhishek. Now you need to connect this non-exhaustive list. There's the list is non-exhaustive, which means that there are more people on this list, but there's only one common thing between all of them.
Are they all from the same college?
Could you be specific?
Can't remember what college they went to. I mean, they did their graduation from the same college.
So the left side and the right side both are important with the answer. So there are two parts of this particular question.
The left side and right side both are important, you are saying?
Yeah.
So they are all became some sort of like bigwigs in some companies, and I think they're all. I don't know. IIT Kharagpur.
Okay. I'm looking for a much more specific answer, and you are on the right track. So I'll go another round. Like I'll keep on going, and I'll get back to you. Going to Anand.
Are these IIT Kharagpur alumni who are running Fortune 500 companies as a top
I'll-
execs?
I'll give you part points for that answer. You've gotten half. So I'll give 5 to Abhishek and 5 to Anand. These are IIT KGP alumni in the field of business. With this, the next direct goes to Ketki. Now, name the connect. Tell me what is the common thing in this particular exhaustive list.
um, is the same director. Okay, wait. Let me just remember his name. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Wait.
Okay, Katie, you can pass.
You want me to?
नहीं, थोड़ा- When Katie thinks she gets it.
Boon Joon-ho. Boon Joon-ho.
Brilliant, as it is Bong Joon-ho.
Good.
He gets 10 points for
Actually, I would like to thank Anand for this because he was the one who had asked this question a long time ago. So thank you, Anand.
Hmm.
the next direct is for Neha. Now, the most recent ritual of blank is missing there, was in 1741. The second one held by, this is the second time that Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur conducted this particular ritual. The original Vedic religion had evidently included many animal sacrifices, as blank had the various folk religions, or X had the various folk religions of India. This particular ritual was based on the sacrifice of a horse, very significant in Ramayana. Identify X or the ritual.
So the horse thing tells me it's Ashwamedh.
Brilliant answer. It is the Ashwamedhi Yagna.
Thanks. I was hoping you wouldn't say improvise your answer.
No. I was hoping you wouldn't say some other word that would have, made me not give you the points. The next direct goes to Abhishek. The blank are a voluminous body of literature native to India concerning the previous births of X in both human and animal form. The future X may appear as a king, an outcast, a god, an elephant, but in whatever form, he exhibits some virtue that the tale thereby inculcates. Often, blank includes an extensive cast of characters who interact and get into various kinds of trouble, whereupon the X character intervenes to resolve all the problems and bring about a happy ending. Fill in the blank.
Is this Bodhisattva Jataka?
I'll give it to you. It is the Jatak Tales, Bodhisattva Jataka. Brilliant crack. Ten points to Abhishek for this brilliant answer. Bringing the next direct to Anand. The X is the driver that has qualified for a Grand Prix in Y at the front of the starting grid. Now, drivers are awarded points based on their position at the end of each race, and the driver who accumulates the most points over each calendar year is crowned that year's world champion. Out of the 1044 completed Grand Prix as of 2021 Austrian Grand Prix, the driver that has qualified on Y has gone on to win the race 439 times. Identify X and Y. X is not a person, but is a title that we give.
Not my day. I don't follow Grand Prix, but why is a circuit, right?
Your answer for Y is circuit.
No. I'm asking why is the name of a circuit, right?
No. In general.
Oh boy. I'll go with the Monaco Grand Prix for vibe. And yeah, I have no guess on X. I don't.
Okay, not the Monaco Grand Prix. Going to Keitki.
Not even the faintest idea who this person could be, but
X is not a person, it's a title or a designation that is given.
Okay, so my net went a little off. So Anand said Monaco, right? And it was wrong.
Yeah.
Is that
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
So my answer for that would be Austria, and I don't know the rest.
Okay, going to Neha.
Completely clueless. Like, this is, oh, yeah. I don't know what to make of this. I'm going to pass. Sorry.
Okay, Abhishek.
So, so X is the title. That's what you're saying. Like the person.
Yeah, it's a
It's not
designation,
a.
something
It's a
just like,
designation.
yeah, so just like yesterday we had pivot player. This way in
Mhm.
Grand Prix, X has a very important aspect there.
And why is anything? I mean, it could be anything related to racing,
Related to X.
related to X.
Yeah, they are both interrelated.
Is Y the simulation and X the pilot?
Okay, not the right answer. We'll go another round with Anand, starting with Anand, and there's a hint now. So this particular thing that we are talking about, Y, is a location in the grid. It is a location in the, it's a position, it's a place where the driver, who is the X, is qualified enough to be at that particular place. And the position is what determines the driver's title. So the name of the driver or the designation of the driver that we're talking about, that is X, that is a derivative of Y, the position where they are. So Anand, we'll go another round.
Again, I'll have to take an etymology guess because I don't have a faintest idea of that.
Also, before he answers, the last part where we have given the statistics, that also hints a little bit towards the answer.
I mean, yeah, the driver on Y half the time, roughly. That's something. Is X the favorite? And Y, let me just won't have a guess. I'll just go with the prime spot for Y.
Okay, not the right answers. Going to Ketki,
Not a single idea. Pass.
Neha,
No idea. Pass.
Abhishek,
I'm going to say that I don't know. X is so you're saying Y is a position or a location in the circuit.
yeah.
So is Y the like the so in a Grand Prix you have those cars F1 cars like in different rows, right? So it is Y the front row and X is the leader.
Okay, not the right answer. You are going on the right track. Nobody gets this particular question. It's the pole sitter and the pole position. So the why the front point, the most furthermost point in the circuit, in the starting line, is the Y or pole position, and the person who gets to take that position is known as the pole sitter. So nobody gets pole position. That brings the next direct again to Anand. Now, social network went booming with a particular peculiar event during July to August 2014, when people went on to asking their friends and family to generate awareness on amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease, by performing a painful task. This has been conducted multiple times ever since and has also made an onset of various medical awareness campaigns. What is the name of that task?
This is the ice bucket challenge.
Brilliant answer. It is the ice bucket challenge. Great crack. Bringing the next direct to Ketki. X is a 2020 web series created and hosted by American actor and filmmaker John Krasinski on YouTube, which premiered on 29th March 2020. Krasinski self-funded and co-produced the show with his production company Sunday Night Productions and filmed each episode remotely from his home in Brooklyn during the pandemic. After 8 episodes and a live-streamed prom, a report from The Hollywood Reporter announced that the show was sold to Viacom CBS on 22nd May 2020. Krasinski brought the show back for a holiday special on YouTube in December 2020. Identify the name of the show.
Some good news?
For you, yeah, because it is Some Good News. Great answer. SGN or Some Good News that he produced at home. And it was a pretty good show. With this, we come to the end of our first half. We are already halfway through. The scores are neck to neck. We'll now reverse the order. We'll start with Neha, then Ketki, then Anand, then Abhishek. What is this list? Neha, you're direct. What is this list?
But yeah, you asked the reverse already for this. No, this was not. Sorry. Aditya, that's my bad. This is some other quiz I'm talking about. Okay. This is the polyjuice potion ingredient list. Yeah.
Brilliant. It is the ingredients for polyjuice potion. Neha gets 10 points. Great answer. So the next direct goes to Ketki. X is an annual association football award presented to the goalkeeper who has kept the most clean sheets in the Premier League. In football, a team's defense or goalkeeper may be said to keep a clean sheet if they prevent their opponents from scoring any goals during an entire match. For sponsorship purposes, it has been referred to as the Barclays X since its inception during the 2004-05 season until the 2015-16 season, and then it became Cadbury X for a single season. Sorry, for 3 seasons. After which, currently it is known as Coca-Cola Zero Sugar X. Identify X. What exactly is it?
Golden Glove.
It is the Golden Glove. Great answer. This quiz is turning out to be very easy.
Not for me. मुझे बाकी सबके आते हैं आंसर्स.
भाई देखो
Okay.
आइस बकेट चैलेंज आया था. Come on.
Okay, I think you'll be able to crack it.
Yeah.
The next one is your direct. Farid Khan was the founder of the Blank Empire in India, with its capital in Sasaram in modern-day Bihar. He introduced the currency of rupee, and because of his valor, Mughal governor Bahar Khan awarded him the title Sher Khan. But later on, eventually he was more popularized, and today we know him as a different name. You need to tell me the name that we know him with.
Has to be a play on the word Sher Khan. This is Sher Shah Suri.
It is Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah Suri.
Yeah,
Brilliant
it's a
answer.
hard thing to say.
Sher Shah. Great answer. Getting 10 points for Sher Shah Suri. And the direct now goes to Abhishek. What is so significant about this orbiter?
This is Sputnik, the first one that was sent to space.
Exactly. It is Sputnik 1, the first artificial Earth satellite. Everyone is now on a roll, bringing the next direct to Neha. What is the common link in this particular list? France versus Vietnam, 1946. South Vietnam versus North Vietnam, 1955. Vietnam versus Cambodia, 1975. China versus Vietnam, 79. Fulro insurgency against Vietnam in 65. All these years are the starting dates of a particular event.
Other than the fact that it's all Vietnam. But hey, I don't get what you said. They're all starting dates of an event or various.
Yeah, the event France versus Vietnam started in 1946. So what exactly was there? And I'm looking for a specific term.
Connect any words. Pass.
Okay, going to Kethi.
Okay, so are we looking for like a person who was involved in all this?
I can neither confirm nor deny.
Okay. Uh, वियतनाम में कौन कौन इम्पोर्टेंट सोल्जर्स थे या I just say these are all Vietnam wars and just pass this one.
Okay. I'm looking, it's almost on a good track, but not the right answer. We'll go to Anand.
ये सारे कोल्ड वॉर के प्रॉक्सी वॉर्स हैं.
Sorry, Cold War?
Yeah, कोल्ड वॉर के प्रॉक्सी वॉर्स हैं ये सारे. These are proxy wars fought during the Cold War, as a part
Yeah,
of the Cold War.
yeah, but there's a specific name that is given. It's not just proxy war. So I'm looking for that name.
Oh, there's a specific term that's given for like Cold War proxy wars.
Yeah. So if you want, you can improvise your answer.
Uh-huh. Improvising that. It is capitalism versus communism. It is the war of ideologies. It is.
Okay, I'll give you part
Nice.
points for that.
Mhm.
I'll just take one more guess from Abhishek.
Mhm.
Are these the Indo-China wars?
I'll give all points to Abhishek now because it is the Indo-China wars. These are all called the Indo-China wars. And that is the reason why the actual war between India and China is known as the Sino-Indian War. Brilliant guess. Perfect answer. So with this, the next direct goes to Neha again. On 8th April 2015, FreeCharge was sold to to Snapdeal, which is the biggest deal in the internet history, which boosts uh, X's net worth up to $1.2 billion. So identify X.
I know this or I don't. I'm just stalling for time. Trying to figure. Um, is X a person?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yes, something to do with something. Kunal Shah.
Brilliant answer. It is Kunal Shah. Kunal Shah founded FreeCharge, then sold it to Snapdeal, making himself a fortune, of which he is now losing all of it on cred. So with Kunal Shah, Neha gets 10 more points, and the next direct comes to Keti. Identify this image and the most popular person that is associated with this image.
Is it, can you, are you in the position to say whether it is in India or would be
Yeah.
global?
It's all Indian.
Hmm. लगता है साफ साफ टाइप Is it Chakravyu?
Chakraview is your image identification and the person.
यार अरे यार वो उसके बेटे का नाम क्या था अरे यार just give me like 10 seconds. Abhimanyu?
Brilliant answer. It is Chakraview and Abhimanyu. So that was the design template of the Chakraview.
For some reason, I was thinking Hellboy and that Russian guy who did not die.
I was worried that you were going to say Harman Baweja, but okay. When you said uske bete ka naam kya tha and the only son who's been forgotten. So for
That's a good
10
one. You should
points,
give points to yourself for this.
I am. You don't know how many points I have since April. So the next direct goes to Anand. Now, most people decorate their walls with paintings, hangings, tapestries, and photographs. However, it was Bill Gates who decided to go the unconventional way, making Will Smith desiring to steal this valuable artifact. What is that artifact? What is so special about it? Is what I'm looking for.
Oh man, I had to use the final to not know shit. desiring to steal this artifact.
He's gone on
Has to be
record
an
to say
independent.
this.
Okay.
Even I would want to steal it actually.
That means it is something cool. Is it some kind of weapon? It can be a weapon, but like, ah, one particular thing, right? It's not a series of things like paintings. It's not a common noun.
No, no. I mean, it can be a noun, but it is a noun, but it's not one of these conventional cliched things that
Uh,
people get. And when I say paintings, I mean, even if you get an MF Hussain on your wall, it won't match up to this.
that's interesting. I'll just not waste time here. So, is this some weapon featured in Independence Day, the movie? Some weapon.
Not a weapon. Going to Abhishek.
So it's a periodic table with the actual things in actual places.
Ketki has disappointed that it did not get passed because it is a periodic table with actual elements on his office wall. So Abhishek gets 10 points. Periodic table. So because he could not contain neon, he made a neon light sign. And
Does he have
I mean,
radioactive
I
elements
am
also?
going to give fun points to Anand because there are several weapons on this particular wall.
Yeah.
Not entirely
So
wrong, yeah.
with this, the next direct goes to Neha. The exact formula of Blank's or natural flavorings is a trade secret. The original copy of the formula was held in SunTrust Bank's main vault in Atlanta for 86 years. Its predecessor, the Trust Company, was the underwriter for the Blank's IPO in 1919. On 8 December 2011, the original secret formula was moved from the vault at SunTrust Bank to a new vault containing the formula, which will be on display for visitors to its World of Blank Museum in downtown Atlanta. So fill in the blank.
Both blanks are the same, right?
Yeah.
And three blanks. Coca-Cola.
Brilliant answer. Atlanta Coca-Cola, obviously. So Coca-Cola gets another 10 points. And I think we'll need a tiebreaker somewhere today. It's very neck to neck. The next direct goes to Ketki. This is the last question for today. And this is a list. You need to connect this non-exhaustive list with the one common part. Like there are multiple common parts, but I'm looking for one.
Okay, just ये दिल लगी वीर ज़ारा. Okay, I'll have to. मतलब ओके एक मिनट मेरी यार की शादी है ये सब तो वो चोपड़ा फिल्म का चोपड़ा के फिल्म्स है यार just go with Yash Chopra production.
Okay. Not the answer that I'm looking for. You're on the right track. I'll give you part points, but we'll go to Anand.
Do I get to improvise?
Okay, why don't you improvise?
Uh, was Uday Chopra partially directing these?
No, not the right answer. The part points that you were getting will now be
Um,
taken off because this
yeah,
is considered your answer. Anand,
yeah.
Oh man. But give us some points, no, because nobody has gone that far. Let's just
let's
think
see
of what
how far
Uday
you
Chopra
go.
did.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, I was going to make a similar to Harman Baweja joke on that, but I'll just say that. Okay.
It's like, yeah, that's not.
Yeah.
यार
What would
वायरस फिल्म्स तो हैं सारी, पर डर क्या कर रही है फिर वहाँ पे? व्हाट इज महेश बच्चन डूइंग देयर? दैट्स, or is it a Yash Chopra film? Am I just getting confused?
Bro,
Ah,
wasn't that Yash Chopra only?
I think so. No, yeah, I'm
Yeah,
confusing Dar with something.
yeah, he was the
Yeah.
one who convinced Shah Rukh Khan, no, ki do this role, you will
Oh yeah,
get.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll give 3
Then
points
Sunny
to
got
Ketki
mad.
for this.
Thank you.
यार ये क्या है? It doesn't matter
I just
anyway.
love how you added Humko Ishq Ne Mara. That is just cherry on the cake.
Perfect, exactly. These are all produced under the YRF banner. ये YRF banner का
That's
filmography
what
है, I'm guessing.
Ketki said in the beginning.
Okay, so let me. You're being kind to me right now that I'm getting another guess, but uh, these are all YRF films starring Shah Rukh Khan in some way or form. Like even if
No, not the right answer. Going to Abhishek.
I just have one question before I can make my guess. So Ketki was in the right track, you're saying?
Yeah. The YRF track is right.
Are these all films where Karan Johar had a cameo?
Not the right answer. Going to Neha.
क्या बचा है और oh God.
Karan Johar in Dar be a treat, dude.
Uh,
मेरे को देखना है वो.
Karan Johar in Dar. Uh,
Imagine Karan Johar telling Shah Rukh Khan, hey, leave her alone, just move on.
Directed by Yash Chopra. Is that it?
Brilliant
No, sorry, no.
answer.
Oh,
So these are all Yash Chopra directorials. So Neha gets another 10 for Yash Chopra. Now,
Ketki and I are dying inside right now.
I was going to give the hint that they've both spoken the answer but did not give it. So I'll just check the scores and then I'll come back to you.
Adding हमको इश्क ने मारा was genius. I would have never guessed that. कभी भी नहीं.
Okay, so we do not require a tiebreaker today. With IIT Kharagpur part points, ALS Ice Bucket Challenge and Sher Shah Suri, Anand lands with 25 points. With Doja Cat, Bong Joon-ho, Some Good News, Golden Gloves, Chakraview, Ketki gets 50. Felina, IIT Kharagpur part points, Jatak Tales, Sputnik 1, Indochina Wars, periodic table brings Abhishek to 55. And with Siddharth Basu, Ashwamedh Yagnya, Polyjuice Potion, Kunal Shah, Coca-Cola, and Yash Chopra, the winner of today's quiz is Neha Nair. So, and on the fun front, Ketki has won with a huge margin. With
Exactly.
nine fun points.
My bad.
So we don't require a tiebreaker. So the tiebreaker questions will be continued in the next general trivia quiz. We have our first. So ladies and gentlemen, please put a huge round of applause for Neha for winning the first edition. And congratulations, Ketki, to win the fun prize. Your prizes will
Thank
be
you.
reaching you very soon. We'll
Oh,
discuss
thank
the
you.
logistics shortly.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone who has been watching the episodes, who have been enjoying it. Thank you, everyone who joins the Zoom call on the day of the matches. It's great that we've built it up and we are going to continue with it. We are coming up with another tournament shortly that is going to be the brand tournament, wordplay, very soon. And please stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, tell your mother, tell your parents. We try to keep it as clean. And if someone abuses, I have also downloaded the beep sound, so don't worry. Thank you and keep quizzing.